How you doing, guys? This is Carlos Anaya, and basically I'm just letting you guys know that that's my credit score. That's my actual credit score right now. It was under 500 about a couple of years ago, and now it's 663, 648, and 657. TransUnion 663, Experience 648, Equifax 657. See, I don't have nothing to hide uh, on what I'm trying to accomplish with myself and building my credit and also helping others build their credit, increase their credit score 100 points or more. So hopefully by next week, it should be 700 or more. 700 or more on all three credit scores. Hopefully by next 2 to 3 weeks, you know, in about 15 more days, it should be, yep, 15 more days. I think that's what it says. 15 more days, it should be 700 TransUnion, Experience 700, Equifax 700. You know, it should be an estimate of that. My credit score going up, not going down. And those who want to find out how I do it, Credit Versio is the software that helps me increase my credit score 100 points or more in less than a year, guys. So, anybody that's interested, there's gonna be a link at the bottom of this video, and there's gonna be a page where you can subscribe to my YouTube site and to my live uh, stream platform, you know, and I send you more details on how to get this Credit Versio software for free. 100% free, guys. You don't have to pay a dime. Okay? So, after you finish watching this video, just sign up so you can watch the entire video. And then, if you have any comments, you can leave me a comments below this video. Okay? So, who's interested in increasing their credit score 100 points or more in less than a year so they could qualify for that house, that car loan that they've been trying to get for a while? Who's interested? Let's see. So there's my credit score, guys. Not afraid to show my credit score to nobody. You know, credit scores is like it's a game, guys. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. You know, and it has to do how you control your credit. That's all I have to say. Again, if you're interested, wait for the section to open up where you can sign up or send me a direct message below this video on the comment section that you're gonna see. You have a great day. This is Carlos Anaya signing out.